Welcome to our Ice Maker Showdown. Today we're comparing two popular countertop ice makers, the EUHOMY and the Silonn. Both machines promise quick ice production and convenience, but which one is the better choice for your home or outdoor adventures? Let's dive into the details and find out. Let's start with the price comparison. The EUHOMY model is priced at $94, making it a budget-friendly option for those looking for a reliable ice maker. On the other hand, the Silonn is slightly more expensive at $109. While both machines offer similar features, the price difference might influence your decision, especially if you're looking to save some money. Next, let's discuss the materials used in these ice makers. The EUHOMY features a stainless steel body, which not only adds durability but also gives it a sleek look. In contrast, the Silonn is made of polypropylene, which is lightweight but may not feel as sturdy. Depending on your preference for build quality, this could be a significant factor in your choice. Finally, let's look at user experience. Both products have received positive feedback for their speed and convenience, producing 9 ice cubes in just 6 minutes. However, some users have reported issues with ice melting quickly and noise levels. It's essential to consider these factors based on your personal preferences and usage scenarios. In conclusion, both the EUHOMY and Silonn countertop ice makers offer excellent value for their price. The EUHOMY is a more affordable option, while the Silonn may provide slightly better build quality. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your budget and specific needs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.